Yar, ahoy, matey. This be Pirate Captain Phil. And it's time for another drink review with our host, John Watson. Yar!
All right, thank you very much, Pirate Captain Phil. And yes, this is going to be another drink review. And this time, it's a Faygo Firework. I got a feeling it's going to taste like these little popsicles here. So, I was going to give her a try here. Ooh, it definitely smells like this little popsicle here. Oh, interesting. Oh, yes, definitely tastes like one of those popsicles. And it's pretty good. Wow. And of course, you notice, I'm wearing my Team Ivana shirt. Yep, wearing my Team Ivana shirt. And I'm about ready to have me some sausage pizza and 3 breadsticks from Noble Romans that I bought up here in town in Fairmount. So I'll be ready to enjoy my supper. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, and there will be more puppet skits coming soon. And may God bless you all, and goodbye. Take care.